iPads on and we're doing group classes with iPads. It's fun. Yeah, it's exciting. Yeah.
For her to, so you talked about her earliest memories.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, it
Oh,
was
okay.
amazing.
Yes, I was there too. Yeah.
She was
Guests who are outside in the lobby to kindly come inside and join us. Naha. I am Sadiksha Shrestha, your host for this evening. As it is a musical program, I would like to request all of you to kindly switch off your mobile phone or keep it in silent mode. A fundraiser program in the memory of late Pradeep Ram Joshi. The proceeds of this function will go to Cancer Welfare Society of BP Koirala Memorial Cancer Hospital, Bharatpur, Chitwan, Nepal. We would like to thank all of you, our distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, for taking your time out and being a part of this event. Now, for the welcome, I would like to request Sushil Ram Joshi, organizer of this event, who is here from Canada to solely conduct this event. He has been working in the field of Nepalese arts and craft and promoting the Nepalese art and craft in Canada. So I'd like to request Mr. Joshi to kindly come here and give his welcome speech.
Ladies and gentlemen, please allow me to first of all express my sincere gratitude to all of you for your esteemed presence here today, and in doing so supporting a noble cause. As you are probably aware, the proceeds from your participation at this event today will go to the Cancer Welfare Society BP Koirala Memorial Cancer Hospital, Bharatpur, to us supporting individuals and families affected by cancer. So once again, please accept my sincere thanks. Please now allow me to welcome you to this fundraising event featuring two of Nepal's most prominent musical groups, while Mukti and Revival personify Nepali music in the rock genre. Sur Suda's classical renaissance have garnered international acclaim, so please enjoy the live performance amid this wonderful ambience. I hope you have a great evening. U.S. Embassy, Ms. Susan Parker, and other members from the U.S. Embassy who have kindly accepted my invitation to be here amongst us this evening. I also express my sincere gratitude to Mr. Maskeji, Executive Chief at Lalitpur Metropolitan Office, and other members from his office who have also kindly accepted my invitation to be here with us. I would like to thank Mukti and Revival for their wonderful support. I had the great pleasure of organizing a rock concert featuring Mukti and Revival in Ottawa, Canada in 2009. To be able to work with them one more time gives me immense pleasure, and I am sure we will have opportunity to work together for a cause in the future too. Likewise, I would like to extend my heartfelt gratitude to Sur Suda for their participation this evening. They have agreed to support the cause by providing their valuable time and creativity at no cost whatsoever. It certainly conveys a wonderful message in supporting the cause. I would like to thank the guest of honor for this evening, Ms. Nepal Isani Shrestha, for agreeing to be amongst us this evening. You have done us proud at the recent Miss World beauty pageant by among the top 10 participants of first time for Nepal. I can't go without thanking Mr. Gopal Kachipati from Hidden Treasure, Nepal, for kindly approving the participation to Ishani at this event. I would like to thank Miss Miss Nepal 2010, Sadiksha Shrestha, for volunteering, agreeing to conduct proceedings for this evening as the MC for this event. Likewise, I would like to thank all friends and colleagues who have helped me to get this event together. I will admit that this would not have been possible without their selfless support. Spelling out names here would not be practical, but those who have helped me know that it's them I am talking about. I would like to thank Arun Shrestha, Managing Director, World Distribution Nepal, Biswadhar Tuladar, Executive Director, World Distribution Nepal, Dipan Raghuvamshi, Managing Director, LS Solar Asia Pacific Private Limited, Prachandaman Shrestha, Executive Director, Spin International Private Limited, Sachin Lalachari, MD, Customer of Asia International, who have very generously agreed to sponsor this event. It is wonderful to see that support for social causes is slowly gaining prominence as corporate social responsibilities with the corporate sector. A big thank you goes to the Hotel Solti Crown Plaza for organizing this event and making it happen as it is. I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the Cancer Welfare Society BP Memorial Cancer Hospital, Bharatpur, for standing behind me and helping me to make this event officially possible. Let us put our hands together in acknowledging all the individuals and institutional contributions and support. You, the audience, deserve the biggest applause for taking time away from your busy schedule and for gracing this event. Thank you and warm welcome. I have come all the way from Canada to organize this event. Let me share with you that earlier this year, my family and I lost my brother. I dedicate this final words to him. In memory of my late beloved brother, Pradeep Ram Joshi, a teacher of the soul and a man of God, I am proud to offer this truth in remembrance of his life and the truth of his being. And in light of Nepal Truth as a partner of his life, I am truly blessed today to be among you all. I am the sound of love, of the greatest love. I am here today. Thank you and Om Namo Shivaya.
Popular instrumental bands of the country. They're going to perform next. They need no introduction, but it is my task today to introduce them, so I'll do my best. Sur Sudha is a well-known name in the music industry in Nepal and in the world. They are the most traveled band of the country. For the first time, Nepali music was available on CDs by Sur Sudha. They're also known as the musical ambassadors of the country, as they have represented and given a taste of Nepali music in the international arena. The band consists of the following members: Mr. Surendra Shrestha on tabla, Mr. Vikas Singh on guitar, Mr. Rajiv Shrestha on sitar, Miss Sarina Khatri, she's a singer and she'll be performing 2 songs tonight, and Mr. Vinesh Rai on keyboard. They're performing a musical number entitled Vajra, and there will be a Jugal Bandi of sitar, guitar and tabla after the duo. Miss Sarina Khatri will be performing 2 songs, 2 of the very popular Nepali songs. The first one is Jahan Chan Buddha Ka Aankha, and the second one is Maiti Ghar. And also, as this is a charity event, Sur Sudha has agreed to a free concert. So all the charges of the show, they will be donating it to VP Koirala for the cause. The stage is being set up, so it will take about 5 minutes, so do bear with us, because you are in for a treat definitely from Sur Sudha.
धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद। अब के गर्ने, अब बेसुरा पनि बजाउन सकिँदैन, आत्माले नै एलाउ गर्दैन र अब त्यो सेटअप गर्दाले टाइम डेफिनेटली लाग्ने नै भयो। हाम्रो सुशीलजीलाई धेरै धेरै धन्यवाद यो मौका दिनुभएकोमा। यो च्यारिटीहरू हाम्रो सुर सुधाको लाइफमा च्यारिटीहरू गरिरहेको 20औं-25औं वर्ष भइसक्यो। हामीलाई साह्रै खुसी लाग्छ कि हाम्रो सङ्गीतको माध्यमबाट कुनै न कुनैलाई सहयोग होस्, कसैलाई चाहिँ यसको केही न केही फल प्राप्ति होस् भन्ने हामी सदैव चाहन्छौँ। एउटा म्युजिसियन सङ्गीतकारको लाइफमा उसले डोनेसन दिन सक्ने भनेकै उसको सङ्गीत हो। त्यस कारण हजुरहरूको कोही पनि कुनै पनि आइडिया त्यस्तो केही छ सुशीलजीलाई कन्ट्याक्ट गर्नुहोला। हामीलाई खुसी लाग्छ यो च्यारिटी फेरि गर्न पाउनु। हजुरलाई धन्यवाद। Charity concert. I have seen a lot of my friends, Susan and Amarday, thank you so much for coming here. Sunil, thank you so much.